Let's go, motherfucker.
Hello YouTube, it's been a while since I've done a programming video. I stopped doing those types of videos because I've been like really stressed out and a lot's been going on in my life that I might talk about in the future. This is going to be a quick video, it's nothing crazy. I'm just showing how to make a download page just to show ads on a website and then you can redirect to another page. It's kind of like just like a little website checkpoint. We're going to be using HTML, JavaScript, and PHP for this. Without any further ado, let's get started. So let's just get the template out right now. Let's also add the PHP tags up here. What we want to put in the PHP tags is just a request for the URL that we want to get. So let me type that in real quick. Let's just add a title real quick. Now let's go down here and create script tags. Let's type let countdown equal 10 so that we have a variable for how long we need the countdown to be before it goes to the next checkpoint. Now let's create a function and we'll call it start countdown. Now let's type let countdown element equal document dot get element by ID open brackets, and we'll do the ID that has the countdown numbers in the body. So we'll just make this be called countdown, and then we're going to create the P tag that'll show the countdown. So we'll go in the body and we'll type P, close the P tag, and we'll type wait, and then we'll create span tags with the ID of countdown. Countdown, and we'll close the span tag, and we're going to put 10 here so it starts at 10. Now let's go back down here and type let interval equal set interval. All right, and we're going to make this interval be 1000, and inside of here we're going to type function, and then right here we're going to get rid of this. All right, now we're going to type countdown element dot inner HTML equals countdown. Then we'll go in a new line and type countdown minus minus and add the semicolon, and then we'll do if create some braces, and in those braces we'll type countdown less than 0, add those curly braces, and we'll type clear interval, and inside of here we'll type interval, add that semicolon, and then we type window dot location dot href equals single quotes, add the semicolon at the end, and then what we're going to type in is the PHP tag. So PHP, and then we're going to type echo URL and close the PHP tag, and then you should be good. And now at the bottom after the function we're going to type window dot onload equals equals function, and then add the braces, and we'll type start countdown, add the brace over here, and hold on, I added an extra brace right here. Let me fix that, fix this, fix this. There's a syntax error right here, but after this it should work. So let me run this on a local server and I'll be right back. At the end of the directory we're going to type index.php question mark URL equals, and then the URL we want to do, and then let's press enter on that, and we're going to make it go to casp.dev. So let me speed this up. Alright, we're good. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, just subscribe and like the video. Thanks. Have a wonderful night. Bye.